You reaching financial independence one day is not going to be an accident. Learning how to manage money and live below your means takes time and effort. Keeping a budget, saving for retirement, and living debt-free are essential to reaching your financial goals. It is dangerous to assume that it's all just going to work out magically, right? Be a student. Make managing your money a study. Remember that earning money is an exchange of value. You must work to consistently become more valuable. Read, listen, watch, and invest at least 1 hour a day on getting better. Get additional training, find a mentor, and network in your profession. You have to believe that accumulating wealth is possible for you regardless of your current circumstances or your past. Your past does not equal your future. Figuring out your own definition of financial dependence is part of the journey, right? It's the first step in a long process that requires commitment and intention. The AP reported recently that 26% of Americans believe their best chance to build wealth for the future is to play the lottery. That's not a good plan, right? You can take immediate steps right now that will make a massive difference in your future. Let's review the basics and a few ideas you may not have heard of before. Number one, to accumulate wealth, you must consistently spend less than you earn, right? Write down everything, every dollar you spend for a month. Find and eliminate needless spending, especially for personal items you don't really need, eating out, entertainment, travel, buying stuff, housing, and transportation. Wait 24 hours before making that impulse purchase. Do you have a budget you follow? Some kind of written plan is better than no plan. Paper works, of course, and there are many apps to help you. Financial difficulties and arguments are the #1 cause of divorce in America. Get your spouse on board. Get them involved. Everything that can go wrong will go wrong, right? Transmission in your car goes out, the HVAC or the refrigerator. Unexpected major expenses are unavoidable. Only 39% of Americans can pay cash for a $1,000 emergency expense. Maintain or begin saving in a separate emergency fund that will be sufficient for a minimum of 3 months' living expenses. Eliminate debt. Debt limits your choices and inhibits your ability to reach financial independence. Pay your credit card balance in full every month. Only 1/3 of people do that. The interest you pay is a penalty. Consider a credit card balance of $5,000 at a current average percentage of 20.28%. The minimum payment you pay, 2% of your credit card balance, right? If you make minimum payments only, it would take you over 30 years and a total of $23,399 to pay off that initial $5,000 balance. Get rid of debt, knock out those payments, crush your student loan debt, and tackle your mortgage with gusto. Put your money to work. Are you saving a minimum of 10% of your income right now? Perhaps you could start a side hustle if you need to earn more. Take advantage of maxing out the contributions of your company's current retirement program. Amazingly, less than 15% of the people do that. Start a Roth IRA while you can, where the money is tax-free when you take it out. The earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of the magic of compound interest. Number 5, make sure you're protecting your assets. If you have people that rely on your income, you need life insurance. You also need to protect your physical property with car, home, or renter's insurance. Understand the difference between term and permanent life insurance. Many recommend disability insurance. Meet with a professional so you understand all your options. Remember to shop around for the best rates. Generally, you can save money on your premium if you have a higher deductible on your policy. Remember, buying luxury items is not an investment. Being frugal is the cornerstone of building wealth. Look for bargains for nice stuff on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or even estate sales are fun. You don't have to own it. You just have to have access to it. Rent or borrow when it's possible instead of buying the boat, the RV, the special equipment, or the vacation home. Financial independence isn't about how wealthy you are, but rather it's about having the ability to choose your lifestyle without constant money-related stress. It's about picturing the life you want to lead and then taking financial steps to build your own path. Your take action step is this: be honest with yourself. Are you on track right now to reach your financial goals? Determine a realistic budget. Begin the emergency fund. Save for your future. Stop the impulse purchases. Get clear on what you want your financial future to be. Buy a book, get a mentor, take action.